How to implement sustainability strategies in manufacturing using Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability. Hi, this is Farhana and welcome back to my channel. Today, manufacturers are grappling with unprecedented market and supply chain disruption. To continue to grow while enabling a more resilient and sustainable future for us all, manufacturers need to achieve more from their technology investments. Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing is designed to support the core processes and requirements of the industry. These end-to-end manufacturing cloud solutions include capabilities that help securely connect people, assets, workflow, and business processes, empowering organizations to be more resilient. Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing brings together data, processes, people and technology and intelligent solutions that accelerate digitalization efforts across the 4 key areas of the manufacturing value chain. Enable the intelligent factory of the future today by securely extracting data from IT and OT systems to provide real-time production visibility and implement AI-driven cost optimization use cases like predictive maintenance and autonomous machine optimization at scale. Feed insights back to frontline workers with seamless collaboration tools to onboard and upskill them faster. Build resilient and sustainable supply chains by analyzing supplier data in market signals with artificial intelligence capabilities embedded in Microsoft's supply chain platform to predict supply chain disruptions and proactively take actions to avoid them. It digitally empower your workforce by training the workers and increase customer satisfaction with new digital experiences. It operates safe and agile factories by building the productive, smart factory of the future with industrial IoT, cloud, AI, and mixed reality. It creates more resilient supply chains by improving end-to-end supply chain visibility, agility, and profitability through intelligent planning and execution, demand sensing, and traceability. It unlocks innovation and new services by building new business value using digital feedback loops and digital twins. You can read the story from Microsoft blogs how organizations are reimagining manufacturing like Husky is increasing predictability. Husky develops a remote monitoring solution that helps anticipate, recognize, and resolve production issues. Novo Nordisk is improving processes. Novo Nordisk simplifies shop floor operations with a mixed reality solution that complies with GXP. Schaeffler is empowering collaboration. The Schaeffler Group digitally connects its technicians and on-site teams with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Remote Assist. Bosch enabling real-time maintenance updates. Bosch maximized the efficiency of its rotating machines by developing an IAPM system powered by a digital twin that runs on Microsoft Azure. EKK is automating workflows. EKK Group deployed Teamcenter on Azure as a product lifecycle management (PLM) platform to streamline processes. And how Autoliv is building faster and training smarter. Autoliv China transformed manufacturing processes and employee training with a mixed reality and digital twin platform. You can experience Microsoft Sustainability Manager, a Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability solution that unifies data to help you monitor and manage your environmental impact. You can sign up for the trial and find out how Microsoft Sustainability Manager can help you. Record the emissions footprint of your entire operations and value chain more accurately through direct data connections and automation. Analyze, visualize, and report your resource consumption, your environmental footprint, and your sustainability progress. Set goals and take action to reduce your emissions footprint and transform your business through solutions from Microsoft and its partner ecosystem. And learn about Microsoft products for manufacturing. With that, thank you all and we'll see you next time.